Alright, I'm looking at Riot here, thinking I want to take this thing long as it gets over the high of this recent candle here. I know it retested VWAP as it was coming up, broke out of another triangle here, came back, kind of looks like it might be kind of retesting lower again here. I'm going to have an order in for 200. Risk is going to be pretty much the whole number. I'd like to see this thing at 27. I might get in here in a second. Alright, I'm in. Spread definitely gets a little crazy at times. So I'd like to think I'm only risking about $70 on it, but I mean it could turn into something worse. If we can hold above the VWAP here. Okay, we got buyers. We got lots of buyers. Our buyers are gone. We got no buyers. It's really slowing down right now. Some guy just stepped in there. He's gone. And I don't know if I'm liking this one too much anymore. But we gotta hold for the retest here. If we get above, looks like 84. If we get into the 90s, I definitely need to be looking to click the button. And looks like we might get there. Keep going. Spread's gotta tighten. Can't do it here. Come on. Clicking the button, just got to. It's struggling. It's not giving me what I want, so better to just take some. Yeah, I'm all out. I'll call it at that, just 57 bucks. Okay, I'm looking at XNet here. I'm wanting to long it at 19 as it breaks over the top of this. I'm only taking 400 shares, but my risk is about 19 cents on it. Reason is I don't have a ton of confidence in it. I could take 500 shares, but I am a little green today, and at the worst case, I only want to be a little red. I don't want to end up giving away all of this and, you know, then an extra 50 bucks or something. So I'm only taking 400 shares. I'd like to see it around the 60. Might be getting in here in a second. The only problem that I have with this trade is on the daily we have this 29 here, which has been, you know, really right in the middle of this day here, but it hasn't really acted as any significant resistance or support here. So I'm thinking that it's really just not going to make a difference for this trade. But I mean, if we get up to 29 and all of a sudden I see there's a ton of sellers or something, well, then I'm just going to have no choice. Alright, I'm in. Gotta see what it looks like at 29. I'm in at 20. Kind of stacked on both sides. Well, it's trying to move higher here. We gotta break through this 23-24 area, and apparently 25 too. Yeah, sellers are all over the place. We got sellers, but we got buyers too. I mean, anything could happen here, I guess. Yeah, looks like we're dropping. I'll give it a candle here and see if it recovers, but out of 14. Just too many sellers. I don't like anything that I'm really seeing on it. It had a big, or not even a big squeeze up, it just kind of broke out, came back, and then as it was coming back, I mean, sellers just kept stacking on top of it. I saw a ton of them at 25, and they were still there whenever this thing was moving on the way down, so pretty happy to be getting out at 14 on that one. I'm probably going to be done here. I'm going to do a quick run through of every stock here and see if I can see anything else, but for the most part, everything is super slow again. Okay, so I am done. XNet obviously made the big move right after I got out. Don't really know what happened. I was looking at other stocks, so I mean, I guess level 2 must have exploded. You know, tons of buyers obviously came in. Sellers straight up just disappeared because, I mean, from the time I got in this trade, as soon as it got up to 25, there was nothing but like 10s, 20s, 30s all stacking up on the ask. And I mean, this thing, I got out at 31, like right at the end of this candle, and I don't know, if I would have waited just another minute, would have hit my profit target. And I mean, profit target and then some, almost doubled it. So I mean, really missed out on that one. And then the other trade that I missed out on was Riot. I was watching Riot all day, and I've seen 3 trades on it happen. First trade that I saw was a short. Then you got the 1, 2, 3, and the 4, and then I saw it short breakdown here for that move, and then the trade that I took was where? I think it was this one here. And this triangle here, I took it at 958, so oh no, it wasn't that move. This is the third move that I saw happen. So then I was looking at it for a break above VWAP here. Got long, kind of came back against me a little bit, but ended up getting up to 27, and I took off enough at 71. It was kind of struggling up there, I guess. But I mean, this was the real move that I should have taken. I mean, I think what really happened here was the 5-minute was a little bit closer. I mean, as it touched the 9 EMA on the 5, that's when it really started moving. I don't know, I just didn't take it. Just didn't take it. Don't really know why. I just didn't take it. But I mean, this is like $1,000 winner. I mean, I probably would have gotten out completely somewhere around here, but I mean, this thing really exploded up to almost 32. I mean, if I was taking, I probably would have taken it long over 27. You know, profit target would have been high a day. You know, would have bounced around in here. Probably would have had a partial somewhere up in here. Still left on for size, but I don't know. Today and yesterday, you know, I've seen a lot of trades where they worked out, but I'm just not in them. So I think tomorrow, whenever I come back, whoa, what is going on here now? I don't know, something's happening with XNet all of a sudden. Wow. I don't know what that's about, but anyway, going back to tomorrow, I gotta really just focus on taking the trade. I wrote down that stop worrying about green or red. If you're up on the day, down on the day, you don't want to be down on the day, just take the trade. I mean, these are all my setups. They did everything that I like. You know, they got the volume died out here, but I mean, it picked back up really right when I wanted to see it start picking back up. So I mean, whenever I see something, I just gotta take it. You know, with this blockchain doing whatever it is doing, you know, this XNet and Riot have been in play for like the past 3 weeks. I mean, every single day there's trades on these stocks, and today has been a really green day for both of them. You know, Riot's float is only like 8 million shares, so I mean, that's really, you know, it's just another bullish opportunity, and you know, all this buying's going on. You know, I gotta make sure that I'm in there, I'm prepared, I'm ready to take the trades. Oh yeah, that reminds me, the other trade that I missed was Square. You can see like a perfect bull flag formation. I just saw it too late on this one. I was a little too busy trying to figure out if I wanted to take it, and I mean, I saw it like right here as it was making this move. But I mean, I just gotta come back tomorrow and be ready to trade. That's really the bottom line. That's just what it's gotta be. So I'll be back again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.